Looking for one polish system that can do it all, finishing, protecting, and maintaining? A true all-in-one solution might be exactly what you need. When it comes to polishing, having a simple product that adapts to your needs can be a real game changer. Instead of switching between multiple compounds and polishers for different tools or pads. Imagine one formula designed to work across your entire setup. Versatility like that can simplify your process and save serious time. So, let's break down 3 top ways to use an all-in-one polishing system. First, use a finishing polish to refine the surface and prepare the paint for your choice of protection, whether it's wax, sealant, or coating. Pair it with an ultra-fine pad to achieve a clean, high-gloss finish. Next, take advantage of a one-step polish. This option removes light defects, enhances gloss, and leaves behind a temporary layer of protection, perfect when you need quick, efficient results. And finally, use a long-term protective polish as a follow-up after compounding or as maintenance for older coatings. It not only refines the surface, but also adds durable protection that can last for months. With a versatile polishing system like this, you can tailor your approach for any goal, whether it's a refined finish, a quick enhancement, or a long-lasting defense.